It is possible to hatch parrot eggs artificially. But precision decides everything. Parrot embryos are extremely delicate. Even a 0.2 degree shift can cause damage. Incubation varies by species. Budgies hatch in 18 days, macaws nearly 30. Ordinary incubators are not enough. Precision control is essential. Most parrots require 37.3 degrees. Humidity rises during the final days. Eggs must turn gently each day. Then stop, 2 days before hatch. Incorrect humidity dehydrates embryos. Excess handling invites infection. Fertile eggs must come from licensed breeders. Many species require legal permits. Internal pipping begins a day before hatch. Intervention should be rare. New hatchlings require warmth and precision feeding. Early care determines survival. Beginners succeed rarely. Experienced breeders reach 80%. Artificial incubation demands precision and patience. Sometimes, the parents do it better.